Ranbir Kapoor, who was last seen in the film Sanju, might be the next B-Town star to bite the OTT bullet. The talented actor is considering making his online debut with the adaptation of a British television series. Ranbir Kapoor is one actor who stays away from social media and keeps a rather low profile unless he's promoting his films. Now, Ranbir, who has played a wide variety of roles and has been constantly praised for his prowess over his craft, has the highly anticipated Brahmastra and Shamshera set to release for next year. But it seems like Ranbir is all set to keep in tune with the changing times by jumping into the fast-growing OTT space. Check it out. Ranbir, who is about to wrap filming for Brahmastra and Shamshera with shoots having resumed in the new normal, has been reportedly approached by an OTT platform to play the lead in an Indian adaptation of a very successful British series. It's based on the 1993 novel by John Le Carre and tells the story of a former soldier working as a night manager in a hotel who is hired by an investigating officer to infiltrate a powerful criminal's inner circle. Interesting बात ये है कि कुछ ही दिनों पहले there were rumors that Hrithik Roshan had also been approached with the same show, and it looks like the streaming platform producing the show is looking at multiple stars or has asked Ranbir if Hrithik has passed on the offer. A source has told a tabloid, the discussion began only a few weeks ago. Only if RK gives his nod, the team will begin the hunt for a director. The 10-part series has been envisioned on a grand scale and will be shot across multiple countries. The show is not likely to go on floors soon, as the multi-country shoot will be hard to pull off amid the current restrictions. Therefore, nothing has been formalized so far. It seems that the shoot can only begin after Ranbir starts filming for his next project opposite Shraddha Kapoor, which is being made by Love Ranjan. Ranbir also has a period drama film, Shamshera, which also stars Sanjay Dutt and Vaani Kapoor, and the much-delayed Brahmastra opposite Alia Bhatt and Amitabh Bachchan to look forward to, and both these films are likely to release directly on the big screen when theatres reopen. Well, we can't wait to get more confirmations about this interesting new development, and we will keep you guys updated as soon as we get more details.